So for notice writing, what we have to write down? First of all, the name of the institution, leave line, the word notice, then again leave line, heading or title, then corresponding to the line in which we have written notice, we will write down the date. Okay, so then here that is the body. In body, what we have to write down? What, where, when, why, or objective. What is the objective? Okay, so you have to write it down. Then the details you have to write down. For example, time, date, and venue you have to write down. Then special instructions, and for further information, contact undersigned, right? Then your name in running hand, then name in capital, and then designation. And then designation you have to write down. Okay. So this is the heading that we have revised on that day. We have done on that day. It is just a revision of that day. So clear? Now, today we are going to do a notice in which we will do for meeting. If you have to write down for a meeting, then what value points you will include? So again, what are the value points? You will include date, you will include time, name of the meeting, name of the event means meeting, then agenda. What is the agenda of the meeting? Agenda of the meeting. Okay. Then who is to attend? Who is to attend means who will be present at the meeting. Then afterwards, specific instructions. This we are always writing. Special instructions you also have to write down, and then for further information, contact undersigned. So we have to include all these points when we have to write down a notice for a meeting. So I hope that these words are clear to you. You can read it well. Put your thumbs up if yes. Okay, right. Okay. So what points we will include in case of meeting? Date, time, name of the event, what is the agenda, who is to attend, and special instructions we also have to mention, right? So write down a question for it. Write down. Write a notice. Write a notice for a house meeting to be held. Write a notice for a house meeting is to be held. Write a notice for a house meeting is to be held as as you are given the responsibility, as you are given the responsibility to organize a book fair, as you are to organize a book fair in the school library, and you are a librarian, and you are a librarian, and you are a librarian. So for that you have to write down a notice, means you have to write down as a book fair. Book fair is going to be organized in the school, and you are a librarian, so you will be responsible for organizing this book fair. Okay, so for that you have to write down a notice for that. So first of all, what will be the name of the institution? Write down in your notebook side by side. Name of the institution, that is Swami Sandas Public School, Jalandhar. If you are not going to write down this name, you can also write down ABC Public School, Jalandhar. Don't write down JAL, but you have to write down the complete word Jalandhar, that is JALANDHAR. Okay, next afterwards, next leave line, write down the word notice. Leave line, write down the word notice. Corresponding to it, write down date. Write down date. Then heading. What will be the heading? Just raise up your hand so that I can unmute you. Yes. Yes, Dia.
Meeting for book
Now
fair.
remain unmuted. Those students who have raised up the hand, remain unmuted because we are to discuss further. Again, I will not unmute you again. Yes, what will be the speak again?
A meeting for book fair. Book fair.
A book fair.
Yes. Book fair. Okay, book fair. Okay, meeting regarding book fair. Okay, meeting regarding book fair. Okay, so in from the very heading, it must be clear that what we are going to organize and why this meeting, because nobody, all the people, they will read the description of the notice afterwards. But first of all, they will be concerned with the heading. They will read the heading first, and then they will read the description, what is underlying it. So meeting regarding book fair. Okay, so now we have to include date, time. This we will include afterwards. Name of the event. We will start, first of all, we will start with what, where, when, and what is the objective. Yes, who will speak? Who will give the suggestions? Ma'am, this will be included. Yes. Speak.
Ma'am, all students must be in proper house uniform.
Speak again.
The house regarded to the student should be in the following uniform.
1 minute. So first of all, speak the question which I have given you. Maybe some doubt is there in the question.
Write a notice for a house meeting which is to be held as
meeting. Cut down house meeting. Write a notice for a meeting. House cut kar do. Write down for a meeting. Okay. Speak again now. Further speak.
मैम यही क्वेश्चन रिपीट करना.
हाँ, yes, question.
Write a notice for a meeting that is to be held as you are given the responsibility to organize a book fair in school library and you are a librarian.
Now, yes. Now find that it is only, it's not a house meeting. Actually, it is a meeting for all the teachers, suppose. Okay. Right. So now speak. What, where, when, and objective. Speak.
All students of classes 9 to 12 are informed that the library is organizing a book fair
Now,
Uh,
see, first of
on
all, as in the question, there is not any mention of it can be for teachers or for students. So you can write it on your own, right? So let us go it for teachers. Okay. So a house meeting is going to be held for all the teachers regarding book fair in order to discuss the various points to be taken into account to organize a book fair. Means what is the objective of this meeting? That we are to take into consideration the various points which we are going to undertake in this meeting, right? So a book fair for all the teachers, a meeting is going to be held for all the teachers in the for all the teachers in order to discuss all the points as a book fair is going to be organized in the school. What, where, when, and what is the objective. Then come up to the details. The details are as under time. Which time is suitable to you? It can be 3, it can be 2 p.m. whatever. Date, mention the date, that which date you are supposed to write down. Then afterwards, venue, where it is going to be held. You can mention any room number or you can mention in the library,
Hall.
auditorium hall, whatever you want. Now special instructions. In special instructions, discuss about the agenda, who is to attend, we have written. Now coming up to special instructions. So what we will include in special instructions?
teachers are requested to intimate the students to have proper IDs
I'm
while
not getting,
attending the book.
speak again.
Teachers are requested to intimate students about the IDs.
Okay, about the IDs, intimate the students. 1 minute, let me use my duster. I'm rubbing it down. Okay. Okay, next point. Next. Any other idea by any student? Yes, Arshpreet, Ishika, any idea? Try to give some idea how you will write down for book fair, that it is a meeting.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਮੇਰੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਝ ਗਲਤ
Voice is not clear.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੋਤ ਪਿਲਾਵਾਂਗੀ
See here.
ਓਏ,
Watch. So now, then, so first of all, as this is a meeting going to be held, so what we will include? First of all, what things to be, agenda we will mention. That various duties for various stalls. Okay, special prizes for book reading, special prizes for book reading, then mementos, prefect duties, they will be discussed. If any point another you want to tell me, you can also tell me so that I can add it here on the board. Okay, so what you will write down? Important decisions about the various duties or important decisions regarding allocation of duties. Okay, allocation of duties for various stalls of books, special prizes for book reading. Okay, for reading maximum number of books or simple write down for book reading, and mementos will be discussed in the meeting. It will be discussed, means these will be discussed, and moreover special prefect duties will also be, or a list of prefect duties will also be prepared in the meeting. Okay, then these points, all the teachers will come up their innovative and creative ideas to make it a success. Means all the teachers will also come out with their creative and innovative ideas. They will come up with their creative and innovative ideas to make this book fair a success. Then you can also write down that no one should miss this meeting. So how you can write down? It is compulsory for all the members to attend the meeting and should report. Where they should report, you have mentioned in venue and mention, and they should report in the above or to the above said place or to the above said menu. Above said means you will not write down the place again. You will write down above said. Formal writing. Above said venue. Okay, 5 minutes before the commencement of or the starting of the meeting. 5 minutes before the commencement or starting of the meeting. Right? Then last line, as usual, we are writing. Here we are not supposed to write down, submit your names because this is a meeting for teachers. Okay, then for further information, contact undersigned. For further information, contact undersigned. Then your name in running hand. Then your name in capital letters. And then you will write down the designation. Okay. Right. Clear? So in this manner, this is for any kind of meeting to be held, we have revised. One we have done for earlier, that is for a camp. This we have also done. Okay. So next, suppose we have to write down for any warning or instruction. Okay, any warning and instruction. For that, which value points? Suppose we have to write down the notice for any kind of warning. Suppose there is any kind of warning to be issued in the notice. And for that, what value points you will include? First of all, what is your target audience? Special instructions. It means that it is meant for that. Okay, meant for special people, not for all. Okay, then you will also write down special instructions. That what are the special instructions? Means do's and don'ts. Okay, then details of do's and don'ts you can also include. Then details of instructions. Now let us discuss one notice that you have to do in your rough only side by side. It is just for practice. I'm giving you different type of notices. Okay, right? So write on the question. Suppose you are the secretary of. Suppose you are the secretary of Kuber Nagar. You are the secretary of a colony named Kuber Nagar, Delhi. Suppose you are the secretary of a colony named Kuber Nagar, Delhi, and there will be a power cut. There will be a power cut for the specific hours of the day, and there will be a power cut for specific hours of the day. Write a notice for the for the residents of the colony, write a notice for the residents of the colony to avoid inconvenience, the inconvenience caused, for the inconvenience to be caused due to power cuts, due to these power cuts. Right? Again, totally different type of notice you have earlier done. Earlier you were mainly concerned events hogi, celebrations hogi. Maybe for meeting you must have get 1 or 2 times in your exams, but now we have to discuss with this, that is a warning. When you have to give any kind of warning, for that how you will start. Okay, so now coming up to that format afterwards, but before that, target audience. Okay, target audience means for whom you are writing. It means the residents of the colony. What will be the special instructions? So first of all, why this power cut is? Why this power cut is going to be held in the colony only, not in the other parts of the city? Maybe it is because of maintenance purposes. Okay, that it is for maintenance. I will write down here, maintenance purposes. Okay, then special instructions. Which special instructions? Regarding what? First of all, think about the things which operate because of electricity, because of that electric power. Lifts, water supply. Mainly these things, they operate on electricity. Okay. Then do's and don'ts we will discuss later on. So let us start with this notice. So first of all, at the top, who is issuing the notice? Here you won't write it down, it is by school. What you will write down? What will be written at the top in place of name of the institution or organization? Raise up your hands. Diya, yes, Diya.
Secretary Office of Kuber Nagar.
What? Speak again.
Secretary Office of Kuber Nagar.
Secretary you won't write down at the top,
Yeah.
because designation is always at the end. Write down Kuber Nagar. Okay,
Kuber
Nagar,
Nagar, New Delhi.
that's it. Okay. Then afterwards, the word notice, corresponding to it, your date, leave line. What will be the heading now? Speak out, Ramneek, you can tell. What will be the
Power
heading?
cut for the specific hours.
Power cut. Okay. Power cut for specific hours of the day, or simply it is a power cuts on dash and dash. Mention, highlight kar do heading. On Friday or on power cuts on Saturday or Sunday. Right? Okay. So next afterwards, yes, Panika wants to speak something. Yes, Panika. Not able to speak now. Next afterwards, Panika want to speak something. I have unmuted you. Yes, you can unmute yourself. You want to say something? Okay, fine. Now let us come up to the main point. Now, what, where, when? So there will be power cuts of 5 to 6 hours. What, where, when? What? Power cuts. Okay. When? Okay, for 5 to 6 hours. Okay, 5 to 6 hours totally, or including morning and evening. Okay, totally or including the complete day in the colony. Okay, why? Because of maintenance purposes. Okay, because of maintenance purposes, and to help the residents to avoid the inconvenience caused. What, where, when you will include there. Okay, the details are as under. When the power cuts, for example, you will mention here. For example, if it is on Saturday, suppose details are under Saturday morning. Suppose morning it will be 8 AM to a.m. Okay, then afternoon, if it is 1 to 4 p.m. If in the evening it is not there, it's fine. Then on Sunday, suppose it is from morning 8 a.m. and 8 a.m. to, or simply mention Sunday complete morning to 4 p.m. Okay, so mention, it is not hard and fast rule what I am writing on the board. You have to write it down on that line. You can write down according to your choice also, right? So you have mentioned the details. Yes, Ramneek, want to say something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Put your hand down then. So, right, you have mentioned the details. Okay, dates if you are mentioning, we have mentioned the dates. So, there is no need to mention the dates. Okay, so coming up to special instructions. So, special instructions related to lifts and water supply. So, there will be change in the water supply hours of the colony. It will be from, it will be, you can say it will be 6 a.m. onwards on Saturday and 6 a.m. onwards on Saturday and Sunday till the power cuts apply. Okay, so the residents are requested not to use the lifts. Okay, not to use the lifts and fill their water containers to have a regular supply of the day. So this is the main thing you want to convey. In this, we can't write on much more. Okay, right? So all the residents are requested to make the arrangements beforehand in order to avoid any kind of inconvenience to be caused, right? So then afterwards, coming up to the last line, for further information, contact undersigned. Okay, and there is nothing much to write in this kind of warning. Okay, then afterwards, your name in running hand, your name in capital letters, and then your designation. Okay, so I hope that this notice is clear to you. If any doubt you people are having, you can raise up your hand so that I can explain it to you. It's fine. So your thumbs, putting up your thumbs, I explains that very well you have got to know that how it is to be written. So there are different categories of notices. Let me tell you, there is not only one kind, that is meetings, hogi, celebrations, hogi, that's it. It can be as vast as many topics. So I want to just make you revise that if it will be any kind of different kind of notice in the exam, you will be able to do. And on Saturday, you people are having your test. Okay, I will send in the group the topic of the test too. And prepare accordingly. You will have your notice writing and the first chapter, that is the fun day. So I hope that now it is very much clear to you. So thank you.